RuthAnn, supplements are a really hot topic right now. What do you recommend or not recommend that people give their dog as a supplement?
Yeah, so first and foremost, it is critically important to know whatever supplement they're looking to give, what's on the label is actually in the product itself, and that they've done their safety checks. You know, one of the supplements that I absolutely love is Fortiflora. It's a probiotic that you just literally, you take it and it's in a packet, you sprinkle it on the food once a day. Not only does it have what it says on the label actually in the packet itself, so you know it is specifically researched in our dogs and cats, so we know the effects that it has for their GI tract, and especially for our hunting dogs where it's stressful, it's good stress, it's fun stress for them to be out there with us, but we want to make sure that their GI tract stays as calm as possible. Knowing that our sporting dogs are out there, you know, twisting, turning, jumping, doing all of their retrieving, pointing, flushing, all of that can be hard on their joints. So certainly looking at a joint supplement that's got things like glucosamine, chondroitin, hyaluronic acid, all of those ingredients that have the research behind them. What about you? Any other supplements on your list that?
I don't think any conversation about supplements will be complete without addressing or at least bringing up CBD. Yeah. It's also a super popular supplement that people are using now in themselves, so they're leaning that direction already.
Yep.
So what can you tell us about CBD, and do you feel like it's a safe supplement?
Yeah, so there's some preliminary research out there in our dogs, but again, going back to that manufacturer, right? So making sure that it is what it says on the label, and that manufacturer has done their due diligence with the safety and efficacy before you're going to give it to your dog.